Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and as you guys know, alright, smart glasses is an upcoming trend where it can help you like do a lot of things, can recognize objects, can help you record videos to make those point of view, alright, POV, the kind of like, you know, videos that you see on YouTube or TikTok, alright, where like some of them they do that for like certain things to show you around, alright, those kind of really cool things. And one of the most popular one is the Meta glasses, but those are really costly in the $600 to $800 range, and not more of you who really want to afford that or even buy that just for that. Alright, and now some smart glasses do have like, you know, translation, you can listen to music, all this and that. What if I tell you there is one sitting right in front of me right here, alright, which is called the Padmate ViewMate smart glasses, alright, right over here, that can do all sort of things that I mentioned earlier on, alright, at a fraction of the price. Sounds really interesting, right? So let's get right into it and see, alright, is this really justifiable, or should you get, you know, those high-end Meta glasses? So without further ado, let me just go ahead and unbox this and see what we get inside the package, alright, for this really amazing smart glasses right over here. Alright, and they do give me like you know, a smart glass pouch where you guys can put just your glasses inside if you don't need to use it, and I think it's really nice. Alright, have this really nice leather feel to it, super awesome. Alright, I have this hook over here, you guys can hook it on your back. Alright, really nice. Alright, so you guys can put your glasses in over here. Super nice pouch over here, but this is not the main theme of today's event. So let's just unbox these smart glasses and see what we get inside the box. So I'm really excited. Alright, and okay, we do get a smart glass over here, and let's see what other accessories we get in the box as well. There's some styrofoam that don't need those. Okay, we have another box. Okay, so we do have a charging cable right over here for you to charge up the smart glasses. Alright, nothing special about that, and they do give you two extra lenses. This is the sunglasses lens, because the one that comes with it is a clear one, so you want like you make it more like a sunglasses, you guys can attach this one on. Really nice. They include this as well. Alright, a cleaning cloth for your lenses and for the smart glass itself, and last but not least, we have a user manual on how you guys can download the app and operate the smart glasses itself. So I think this is all we get inside here. We're going to put the rest of the accessories inside the box for now, and let's just focus on the smart glass itself. So they also does come in this carrying case as well, but you want more premium one, you guys can go with this one. Alright, but let's just open this up. Wow, okay. First impression of this smart glass is it is super lightweight. Okay, so yeah, I think it's really lightweight, and it looks pretty nice. All right, from the outside it wouldn't feels like a, you know, a smart glass. All right, you guys can see over here, it just looks like a normal glasses. All right, aside the side is a bit thicker, and probably you guys can see there's a camera over here. This is the place where the camera is. Oh no, the camera is over here. Alright, so the camera here is not any cheap camera they have inside here. Also, so inside here is a Sony IMX camera. So it's a really decent camera that can record videos really clear in full HD. Alright, so this is really awesome. And on top here we have some volume up and volume down, as you guys can see, because alright, it's not, the camera is not letting me focus on that. Alright, we do have like, you know, some volume up and down buttons over here. Alright, and there's some speaker coming out from the bottom as well. Alright, some speaker for you to listen to music or live translation. Yes, these glasses have live translation, but before that, let me just put this on and see how it looks like with this. So this is something without any you know, actual lenses. So what I'm seeing now is quite blurry. I don't know if you guys can see, so I'm not wearing my actual glasses, but yeah, this is how it looks like with these smart glasses on. Do you guys think it's okay? Do leave your opinion down in the comment section. But yeah, overall this glasses just feels like as if like any other glasses out there. Probably I will get it to see an optician and get, you know, the one for my eyes so that I can see clearly. But yeah, this one doesn't have any degrees on, so I can't really see anything clearly, but you guys can see from the style it just looks really nice, and super lightweight as well on my face. I don't really feel anything at all. It just feels really good on my face. Alright, so right now we're gonna just connect it and pair it, alright, with the app itself and see how this thing goes. So how do I turn this on? I think it's this button right over here. Okay, so you guys can see this is the app itself. Alright, you guys can see a battery percentage, all the device recording settings, firmware upgrade, and there's a few quick functions you guys can activate from the app itself. Alright, but you guys can also use voice control to do the activation, which I will talk about later on. But there's a lot of things that you guys can do as well. There's touchpad gesture, you can touch at the side, different gesture for different kinds of things that you guys can set it to be. Alright, they have voice assistant as well, which you know, when you say you know, the name itself, and then it will respond, and you guys can ask any question and they will feedback it into your ear itself. Alright, so there is like some small speaker over here, so only you can hear it. So it's really awesome. Alright, they have AI translation as well, so they can translate everything in real time, which is really cool. We have AI as well. That's why I was playing around with it, so you guys can see what it do, what they say and what they ask. Alright, and with album as well, I just did a quick recording and see how it goes. It looks really good. Alright, and this is my profile. You guys can have like various profile as well. So this is the app itself. You guys can use the app itself to import like videos or photos taken or recorded from this glasses itself, so which is really awesome. So right now we're gonna just talk about some AI assistant that this thing can do. So which is the very first thing, which is the voice assistant. So the voice assistant, you just call its name and talk about what is it, and you respond to you. You'll hear like a bing, a noise, alright, to say that, you know, it is starting to listening to what you say. So you hear like a prompt. Alright, so so right now let's just test it out. Alright, so we're gonna say, hey Sayan, what's the weather like today in Singapore?
Today in Singapore,
as you guys can see, alright, it responded and it is reading back, alright, the text in white to me into my ears right now. So I don't need my phone with me. I can hear what it says today, so you can just ask anything you want. Alright, you guys can hear? Alright, so you guys can hear it's speaking through my mic here over here, alright, over the speakers here, which is really, really cool. Alright, and we can also recognize certain things as well. Let me just pick one of the things from here. We have a Garfield over here. Excuse my very messy room. Alright, you can say like, hey Sayan, what do you see in front of me? Okay, you'll take a photo.
There's a small, plush toy of darkness, the same as orange tabby cat with black stripes, large white eyes, and a pink nose. The toy appears to be made of soft fabric and has a rounded, cuddly shape. It is being held gently in someone's hands, positioned over a clean, white tabletop or desk surface. In the background, you can see a bedroom setting, a bed with rumpled blankets and pillows, including a blue circular pillow, a standing fan on the left, and some electronic devices like a laptop or tablet connected to cables. There's also a bright light source.
Okay, so you guys can hear, alright, you can describe what you see. You'll take a picture and you will just describe what you see. So for anything that you don't recognize or something that you don't know what it is, you guys can just call its name and say, hey, what is it in front of me? Which is really, really cool, and I love this thing as well, and describe to you, and it's automatically detect identify it as a Garfield, so it's really, really cool. Alright, so right now I'm gonna start recording, and excuse my messy room because usually I don't film inside my room. I usually film outside with a separate room for filming, but the room is under certain we are doing some upgrades to the room, so I'm gonna film inside here. So excuse my messy room for a while, but you guys can see the video quality of a bright light shining in front of you. Although I don't think you guys can expect a really good video quality because the light is in front of me shining. The softbox is shining right in front of me, so you can't expect really good quality, but I try my best, alright, to show you, alright, around my this small this room right here. Alright, it's not really a room, more like just a temporary room, alright. But you guys can use it to do a recording, which I'm going to show you right here. And I'm not going to use my app at all. I'm going to just use the voice assistant to start a recording. So how do I do that? I just need to say, hey, Sayan, start a recording. And you guys can see on the app itself, it has also prompt that says started a recording. Okay, so once the recording has stopped, I can go into my photo album and click on import. Alright, and it will connect to this Wi-Fi, or this specs Wi-Fi, and it will start importing from this thing itself. And you guys can see it's importing right now. Now it has also prompt that says start. So previously I realized when I say start recording, it's start recording audio. So this thing can also record audio, but I wasn't specific with my tone itself. So it was recording an audio instead of like a video. So I had to be specific, say a video recording instead. Alright, so I wasn't being specific, so that's my fault. But you guys can see one of the demonstration. You guys can also record audio as well without video at all. So which is really cool. But right now, alright, let's just do an actual video recording. So let's just try again and say, hey Cyan, start a video recording. Alright, and it should start a video recording. Alright, and right now, alright, let me just do another video recording for you guys again. So this is my room. Alright, excuse the messiness because when I used to record this in my studio over the other room, alright, that is currently under some renovations. So I'm going to record this in my room. And you guys can see it's pretty crowded over here. There's a lot of things, but you guys can see the point of view where I'm seeing from my eyes. You guys can see how it is recorded. Alright, although the video quality wouldn't be really good because of the white, soft, big white box over here. Alright, it wasn't meant to be like that because it will really spoil the video quality, but the actual video quality is really good. You guys can see I pick up my bag. There's a Guffy over here. We have some like plush toy over here. Really nice. We have some plants over there as well, and you guys can see my point of view, and this is the table I'm on. You guys can see, alright, I can use it as my phone, and and all of this really cool things over here. I can do as this in my phone. You guys can see, alright. Yeah, so it's a point of view, and once I'm done, I just say, hey Cyan, stop the video recording. Okay, so now let's just import it into my phone right now. Alright, start importing. Gonna just wait a while. Alright, the importing is done, and this is the video right over here. It should start a video recording. Alright, and right now, let me just do another video recording for you guys again. So this is my room. Alright, excuse the messiness because when I used to record this in my studio over the other room. Alright, that is currently see how it is recorded. Alright, the actual video quality is really good. You guys can pick up my bag. There's stuff over here. We have some like plush toy over here. Really nice. We have some plants over there as well, and you guys can see my point of view, and this little table I'm on. You guys can see, alright, I can use it as my phone, and and all of this really cool things over here. I can do as this in my phone. You guys can see, alright. Yeah, so it's a point of view, and once I'm done, I just say, hey Cyan, stop the video recording. Okay, so you guys can see from the video footage, everything is very smooth. Even when moving around, it's very smooth. It's not very blurry or very jittery. I've used some smart glasses before, alright, almost of the same price range, and the video quality is so bad that it feels like, an 80s, 90s flip phone camera, those 1-2 megapixel one. It's just so bad. But with this one, it's very smooth, alright, and it looks very clear as well, especially with a white soft box right in front of you. You expect that it to be super dark, but it's still super clear, and I'm really impressed by how the video quality turns out to be. I honestly really impressed by that, and overall, alright, it just looks really good, really smooth, and thanks to the Sony IMX camera they have right built in over here. I believe it's an 8 megapixel camera, so it's really good for like photos and videos. Very clear, alright, for those like POV shots if you want to. And a feature we'll be talking about will be this live translation thing. So you guys can click on the AI's live translation, and you guys can have like on-screen translation, meeting minutes, and simultaneous translation. So with simultaneous translation, you guys can choose between the language you want it to be translated to. Alright, you guys can choose between like this. So there's like Chinese and English. Alright, and obviously I would like to use the because I don't really know how to speak Chinese, and excuse my really bad Chinese, okay? So you can just start like a live translation. So, 你好吗？今天天气真好，我刚吃饱了。
How are you? The weather is so nice today. I just got...
See? As you guys can see, alright, it can do the translation. and it will automatically play back what the other person say into your ears. Super convenient for traveling. If you are using these specs, you guys can record the moment in time. Anytime you see something, you can just instantly record it, and you guys can do translation. And if you have seen like probably like some certain scenery or itinerary you're unsure about, you guys can always ask the AI, and they will do a snapshot and it will just explain it to you, which is really, really convenient. And I would love to take this on traveling once I get my degree, right? So that I can actually see through it, because right now I'm seeing it's really, really blurry. But yeah, it has a lot of things that you guys can do, all right, with this as well. They have really, really awesome things that you guys can do. Right, you can recognize certain things, can do translation, and overall it just looks really, really stylish, and it looks really good. And it's quite discreet as well, so the camera is not very obvious as well. So if you're like walking on the street wearing this, or no one would suspect you are having a camera that's recording, and you can't tell that it's recording as well. So this is really awesome, and you guys can do so much thing with it. I especially love the AI voice assistant as well. You guys can do so many things with just the AI voice assistant, and yeah, you can have a totally hands-free experience. And they have so many more functions that I can talk about it whole day, but this whole video is going to be very long and very boring for you guys. So I'm just focusing on the main really interesting features that I'm really loving with it. Overall, just looks really good, really clear, and I'm really surprised by how good it handles, like, you know, bright light situation, especially in a sunny day where imagine there's a sun shining right in front of you. Right, it still handle it really well, especially I have softbox right in front of me, and it handled the softbox really well. Overall, all right, clarity is really good. I'm really impressed, and it's very responsive as well. I'm really, really in love with these smart glasses. And would I say that, you know, for a fraction of the price of the, you know, like Meta glasses or more high-end glasses, all right, would this be on par with them? I would say definitely, and it's very, very worth the price. All right, so there's nothing I complain about. I'm really, really happy with this itself. Everything works so good. I don't have to do any configurations. All right, the voice assistant is very, very, you know, very instant. All right, when I say, you know, its name, and it automatically picks up and respond to whatever I say. It can recognize the image really well, start and stop a recording. So overall, I am very impressed by this. So if you guys want to check out this Padmate ViewMate smart glasses, all right, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this smart glass for yourself right now. It's really impressive. I'm blown away by how good everything is. All right, there's nothing I can complain about. And yeah, if you guys want to check out this Padmate ViewMate smart glasses, once again, I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out. Alright, so yeah, it's a really, really interesting pair of smart glasses, and I hope it looks really handsome on me as well. And this kind of design really fits anyone, any face shape basically. So if you're a girl or a guy, right, wearing this feels normal and natural, and doesn't make you look out of place or makes you look weird. Alright, so yeah, this is the perfect glasses for anyone who is looking for a smart glass that you don't want to spend like a huge amount on, yet you get all the features those smart glasses have. This will be perfect for you. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.